Along the body, I have to me when Pali. She's a guy down with my heat, so I have to put me along the body, I have to me when Pali. She's a guy down with my heat, so I have to put mà tôi như đứa bóng drug ta na yao thô lên lửa đi và ta yao show in lửa chi đi để cùng nhìn quên thấy lên lửa ta đi chỉ đi mà thu ra này Tira go changa jibura takatumi ati pinya mya waga ti abidama taya janami vipatana chiti dimapazedi nyapala thera wada Mapya thawara nila taraka pamamacha wesi kabadalwa chiti Buddha yamji Disabu macho pidigusiyara Lada shuga pya ayudana Seyoni kanya doti Alam tak ebadi She's a guy down with my heat, so I have to put me on a long fuck body. I have to me when Pali. She's a guy down with my heat, so I have to put me on mà tôi như đứa bóng drug ta na yao thôn lửa đi và ta yao show in lửa chi thì đã ngồi quên thấy lên lửa ta đi Tira go chang lo ji Buddha takatumi ati pinya mya waga ti abidama taya janami vipatana chiti dimapazedi nyapala thera wada Mapya thawara nila taraka pamamacha wesi kabadalwa chiti Buddha yamji Disabu macho tiligusiyara tada shuga pya ayudana seyoni kanya roti Alam tab bebadi I have to know သွားရောက်လို့ပူညော်မီအလုံးတပ်ပဲပါသည်ဖယားတို့များဝိုင်းပါလေရွှေစကိုင်းတောင်ဝေးမဟီသွားရောက်လို့ပူညော်မီစေကူကြောင်စရာဆုံးကြီးမသွေးညီလူပေါင်းရကုန်၏သာသနာရောက်ထွန်းလူအတီးဘာသာရောက်ရှုံးဝင်လို့ကြည်ဒီတကူမြင်ခွင့်ထိန်လင်းလို့သာပြီ
သာဝေဇနီးရလေးထားဟုတ်လားအနေစာသဗ္ဗသင်္ခါရတံကုဋိဋ္ဌလဘ္ဗတို့လိုလေးဝေနတ်တည်းရဲ့သံဝေကပုပ္ပေဗန္တိဒိတတုဝတ္တံဝုဋ္ဌာဗန္တိမြတ်စွာဘုရားပုပ္ပေရှိတော်ရှိတော်ဆိုတော့ဘုရားပြိဋိမှာမဆမ်းမီပေါ့အဲဒီကာလတွေတုန်းက before the Buddha's Pranibana ဒီတတုအရာရှင်းပြနာတို့၌ဝတ္တံဝုဋ္ဌာဝါမထလာကြတဲ့သံဃာတော်တွေဝတ္တံဝုဋ္ဌာဝါကြွကြသံဃာတော်တွေတတကတံဒသနာယဘုရားဖူးဖို့ရန်လို့ငါအာဂိသန္တိလာကြတယ်ဘုရားဒီပြေပေါ်မှာဘုရားဝါကတ်တာ73နေရာရှိတယ်ဒါရိသတနေရာနဲ့ပေါင်းရင်14နေရာဒါရိသချန္တာမြေပြင်ပေါ်မှာ on the ground in different 13 places Buddha dwell 44 vasa in every end of a rainy season after the vasa wachotai from different places many sangha came to the place of where Buddha took vasa. Where wasure niya, wachote tangaroriya, where Buddha jari. Ti mayan, mano bhavani bhikkhu, dathanaya labhama, payirupadanaya labhama. ဘာဒီဘုရားကြီးတော်မူသောမြတ်စွာဘုရားမယံတပည့်တော်တို့တွေဘုရောဘာဝနီအဲ့ဒါနော်ဘုရောဘာဝနီဘာလဲဖူးရရဲ့စိတ်ထဲမှာဘာဝနီရဆိုတိုးသွားစိတ်အားရတက်လာတယ်အဲ့ဒီကိုယ်တော်ဖူးရဒါကြောင့်ဘရောဘာဝနီစိတ်နှလုံးကိုရှင်ပြုံးကြည်လို့ဘွယ်ကောင်းသောတေဘိက္ခုတို့ယဟန်တို့ဒသနာယလဘာမဖူးခွင့်လည်းရတယ် Bayi rupa tanaya labama Yusuf lojui kwele ya Dewe dale na wajo yin pya bu twet ja Miji ma bya wasure ne ya bawo ga 73 ခုရှိတယ်73နေရာနဲ့ဝါဆိုးစင်းဒါလည်းလေးပဲဆရာကြီးရဲ့ဘုဒ္ဓဝင်ထဲမှာရှာကြည့်တဲ့လင်္ကာတွေနဲ့ရှိတယ်အဲ့ဒါတရားယောဂအဖျက်ကြည့်လိုက်ရင်အကုန်ရမှာပဲလောက်တာအဲ့တော့သုတေသနာကဒါဖြတ်ပြီဣရာနီမပါပါထက်ပါကုရောဘဂဝတ္တအစ္ဆေနထက်ပါပါတယ်အစ္ဆေနပါဘဂဝတ္တအစ္ဆေနဘုရားကွယ်လွန်ပြီးတဲ့နောက်အနဘဝနိယေဘိက္ခုအဲ့ဒီစေရလုံးရွှေပြုံးကျူရုပဲကောင်းတဲ့ကိုရောကြီးတွေဒသနာယဖူးခဲ့မယံပြီးတော့သည်နလဘိတာမရတော့မဟုတ်ဘူးပြီးသူပါဒနာယအလုံးကျွေးခွင့်လည်းပဲနလဘိတာမရတော့မှာမဟုတ်ဘူးဘုရားမရှိတော့ရာဇယုသွားဘုရားဘာမရှိပဲဝိလဝကြောင့်ကြီးဂိစကုတ်တောင်ကြောင့်ကြီးသာဝတိသွားစေတော်ကြောင့်ကြီးပဲဖူးရမယ်ဝါကြော့ဘုရားဖူးဆရာမရှိတော့အဲ့ဒါကြောင့်ရှင်အနန္ဒကခွင့်ရေးတွေဆုံးရှုံးသွားပြီတဲ့ဒသနာယပိယရူပသနာယအဲ့ဒီမှာဘုရားကဟဲ့မင်းဒီလိုတွေ့ရင်ပါမှာပေါ့ငါမရှိတဲ့တော့ဒီကဘာမြေကြီးပေါ့ဘယ်တော့မှမပြောက်တဲ့၄နေရာရှိအဲ့၄နေရာသွားဖူးat the Lumini garden the Lumini garden where my was born this is unforgettable place you should go there second the Buddha Gaya enlightenment place the Mahabodhi tree you should go there and then Miganaya where Buddha started the turn of the wheel of the truth. Dhammacakka Bodhana Dana. You should go there. And last one. Here the Kushinara. Kudina Yuma Bionira. Here the Kushinara. In southwest corner of a Kushinara. Between the two twin Sala tree, my Pranivana place, you should go there. Dayama Biona, here Biona, Dinyama Biora. These four unforgettable places are called Chatu Sanvi Janiya Thana. That's our covenant of God. Fashion road, Bio. The Gogo Park, the Enchant. Sadari Mani Ananda. Dada the Gula Buddha, Dada the Niyani, the Vizriyani Tanani. Ananda Chita Ananda. Dada the Gula Buddha, the Radia Gound, the Amu Gound, the Amu Gound, me Bondo. Dadaniyani Mabya Fudai Gondo Dawezaniyani Anesa Dava Denkara Dangudita Labayelo Dawega Diari Godu was in a Gondo Dawezaniyas Dawega Pisi Dawega Belupi and I made it above fire. Point time. Anesa Tapatengkara Dan Kudita Labalo Tamika Diari Godu Wasinene Tanani Niadu Imane Sandani Ilinu Dubedi Tamika Diadu Wanene Kudu Diadu Wanene Niariha Lemyu Dawshire Nafayamishida, ni atwa papa, ni apa. Kadamani Sadari, what are the 4 great places? 1. Ida dada gadosa dodi ananda dada kula buddha dadaniya thavesaniya thana. 2. Ida dada gada nudra mata bodhi thamudodi ananda dada kula buddha dadaniya thavesaniya thana. 3. Ida dada gati na ame Auda kata pyatare Anandara dhamaseka bodhi dandi ananda dada kula buddha dadaniya thavesaniya thana. Elaswa Ida dada gada nubari vidaya nibbana daduya prini buddho di ananda dada kula buddha dadaniya thavesaniya thana. Uda Bali Dopha Thavesaniya Thuda Dali Tobiro Kodega Banaga Gururiga Duru Same Kodega Nigere Ted Thavesaniya Thuda Erali Tobira Ngale Thavesaniya Thusubiro Hora Dada Wire Ekandi Bethangana Tata Dinavya Dadu Vivasana Thuda Era Poyini Jinyolo no Osuli Lolo Bido Ujaya Jaya Lady Thuda Lolo Bido Go Sauna Nigeri Teta They gone Ida I Lobini Uyema Dada Gada Zado Yasa Pia Pware Idi Ido Nalondo Dada Kula Buddha Dharadiashido Myogoma Dadaniya Twabira Buddha de Thavesaniya Thana Kudu Deya Dubare Thana Takhu Nadaka Ida Baswam Ida no Lomini Swam The Lomini Garden Ida Uruvela Do Nirendra Mika Ma Bodhi Bin Chiyema Uruvela Do Nirendra Mika Ma Bodhi Bin Chiyema Tadagado Yashabya Anodara Ansapas Batu Nine Tama Tambore Tabijuda Nyanda Vidambudo But they traded again to Dilani Idibi Ido Lebe Ananda Dada Dharadiashi de Kula Buddha Dhamma Adre Dadaniya Mabya Buddha Thavesaniya Thana Davagu Dada Bamaya Me 3 Ananda Tathagatina Navayashin the another Hadu Mashira Damasek Odi Dan Legebi and the dear Pa Saranatha Nia Varanasi Kasi stay no full moon day of Asangla Wazu Lavi even in late after the sun setting down and the very beginning of the moon rising time, Buddha started to turn wheel of the truth. Tessa liva teya sore dhamma sek satin lera. And the dear pa at dear pa in Sarana near Varanasi. This one also one significant place for the Saddatsa, Kulapok no? Radhya Kaune Lure. This one also significant place. Last one. Idananda Tadagata Nupari Didaya Nibbana Daduya Prani Buddha Ananda Ida Iniyama and Ida Benya between the two Sala tree Ida at the southwest corner of the Kushi Nagara in the Sala group and the Mala state, Dilupyoria. That Babi, Aiden Lupyo, full places of Savizania, Hovas, Dilupyo. Benakune. 48 years. For 8 years of at the time of 100 years, 180 years, 48 years of Buddhas. Buddha Dadhanara nearly the Shekunim. In Mala state, near the Kushi Nagara, at the southern corners of the Sala group, southern corners of the Kushi Nagara, in Sala group. Last switch of the night, full moon day of Visakha. Pwarale Visakha, Puenale Visakha, Praneva Budale Visakha. Three great events are only the same day. On the full moon day of Visakha, Buddha's birth. On the full moon day of Visakha, Buddhas attained the enlightenment. On the full moon day of Visakha also, Buddha passed into Pranirvana. Ida ego dinaya yegoma Tadagata Vyasabhya Gurumya Dyanubadi Didaya Kandanayu Ajwajan Bashidabhi Nibbana Daduya Nibbana Dabhi Prani Buddha Prani Vasanga Vidaga Ananda Idi Ido Dada Dadra Daya Kaundo Kula Buddha Da Yaujamima Bedumasu Dadaniya Doya Bira Bumyo Jamelo Soloshino Dadaniya Mabia Mabia Dobira Buja Vesoye Dawesaniya Kudu Diari Do Wazinene Dana Dana Dakubedi Dawesaniya so the book of Fuenli Shi the birthplace of the Lord Buddha, the Lumbini garden, between the two cities, Kapilavastu and Devara. Nowadays, within the Rupandehi district and modern Nepal, Rupandehi district and modern Nepal, this is a birthplace. And a second, Sakyamuni Gautama Buddha attained the supreme enlightenment, became the Buddha under the Bodhi tree on the bank of river Nidinjara within the Uruvela forest near the Gaya. This is a second significant place. And third one, Yapi Benala Achara. Pray the message of all. Precisely 2 months after the enlightenment, precisely 2 months after Buddha's enlightenment, Didi Chaya, Nala Didi, sorry. Tabijuna Janavaya Bilo, Nala Didi Chare Akha, Buddha have started Sagiri to turn label the wheel Sejigu of the truth of the Dhamma. Dhamma Sejigu label Sagiri at the Bigadaya Saranatha Dia Benaris Baranadiya Nina ka Saranam Masaja Hoget and Lasso Buddha Basui and the southwest corner of Kushinagara between the twin Sala tree Mala state. These are the 4 great significant places, unforgettable places. Agavedandika Ananda Tada Bhekhu Bhekkhuniya Upadaka Upadikayo Ananda Chitta Ananda Tada Tada Shija Guma Bhekhu Bhekkhuniya Upadaka Upadikayo Yaha Yahama Dagadagama Bredali Mudodi Agavedandi Lajalame Ida Dadagaraza no dibi dinia Biamurinia Ida Dadagara Nudrana Madamo Dibitamo no dibi Dinia Biafidenia Ida Dadagarina Nudrana Damasaka Bodi Dandi Dinia Damase Lerenia Ida Dadagara Nubari Didaya Nivana Dadu Yabrini Buddha Dini amya sabya karana yo jimshi prili vasane niya lo Bhekhu Bhekkhuniya Upadaka Upadika Prita Levado the Agavedandi Lajalame Yehi Kehisi Ananda Sindhya Sadikang Ahe Danda Padana Seda Kalangretandi Yehi Kehisi Bhadubemaso Sindhya Sarikang Senidorego Pumyo Boya Lele Bido Ahe Danda Sindhya Sarikang Ahe Danda Senidorego Pumyo Boya Lele Bido Padana Seda Jinyo no Sine Mya Kalangretandi Dija Mesoye Dedabe Any Tawariya Lidana Gojino the Saint Dire Buguri Gayata Bira Kanago Pizinga Paramarana Devi Manakalana Dugaday, Lugon, Lugonu, Goya Bid, Began, Iron Nava Vietnam, Mimiade, Logan, Nebi Chota, Bawa Sando, Uba Beze, and D. Yaya Begole, Melo, Bawa Beajini, Ananda, Osa. Stood down with the Leva, no. Take we don't, Ginusia County, you look for the county, the Balidi. Yachebuama Kebu. De Idananda, Dadagadoza, Dodi, Bita, Dada, Gula, Bodada, Dadanian, Tawizanian Tana. Ne Ida Dadagadona, Granda, Mother Bode, Bita, Bododi, Ananda, Dada, Gula, Bodada, Dadanian, Tawizanian Tana. Though Ida Dadagadon. Ida Dadagado, Tata Domo Mother. Dadagados and Ovega Gria La Buket. Dadagadina. I know Daranda Masaka, Bodi, Dandi, Ananda, Dada, Gula Bodada, Dadania, Tawazani Tana. Ida Dadagadu, Badi, Dida, Divana, Dadi, Aprini, Budodi, Ananda, Dada, Gula Bodada, Dadania, Tawazani Tana. Tawaniya Lidana Puja Lili Poya Poya Seleya Saya Ilimi Lingari Barito Satari Era Tawaniya Lidana Ejeme Pilonjo Pue Nya Jaka Kudida Yadot Dondoga Ijido In a pew, na pino a child, that pure. Venerable paragraph 202, page 271. In time past, don't immediately change who had ended their residence period of the reign. One shot a chain, one cup below piece on a chain. In different places, near the Mawakalu, what you be a chain. Used to come Lanija, used to see Punija, used to pay Dabdu Babyojan, the Lupapo. Used to come, used to see, used to pay respect to the Buddha, Babir. Lanija, Punija, Paya, Ushikunija, Ayudi Pinija. We used to get the video Lulebe, Quayedi, Yanija, Quayu, Yitabulia. Privilege. Privilege, la Quay. Do. Comprende, Kana. I'm very happy. I take the honor. I take so proud. Take to have this privilege to deliver the sermon, to deliver speech in this great gathering in Tirigu University, the Lodi project. Privilege, no? And I got special right, special chance. Privilege of the sea and Pumi and Gwen. And I got used to get Yani Jabe and honor. Everybody give you go you when you the big when go live Babila, Yani Jabe. privilege of the honoring those who inspiring bhikkhu. Kaun hai, no? Mano bhavaniya sura bhukku, bhada pyana, inspire. Sick ko sway sound nahi ne mati ji, hola. Phulayan, downti, monti ne sick pyasya kaun ne kuro di mo. Inspiring Mahatera, coming from different places when they finish their rainy retreat, you know. Wacholo, Vayabula Reka, Vyanama, Sianana, Puguya. Privilege of a saying, privilege of honoring those who inspiring big. But, Guru, after the Buddhas passed away, Buddha will be there now, we shall not get this privilege of the seeing, privilege of the honoring to the inspiring monk. Sikhe Chinuzia Gaudi, Nimateji, Paya Pranima Samiri now. Pugwe Mayara, Pugwe Mayara, we lost the chance to pay respect, to ask the Dhamma question, to listen the Dhamma. Nyaibe, Dharma Anaripa. Arimadiri Dhanga Baya, Tiana, Padiri Mosa, Maywe. We lost this privilege. So we pay she another shop. Now is real liver. Another. Bahio another awasapa. Mabau te. Don't say like this. My dear brother Ananda, may the Lord be on. Namashivi me. Oja Gaura Niyaji Ligu Jayan. There are 4 places near Legushi which should be visited, which should be seen. Vadane Chidene Niyaji Ligu. By any person of the devotion, there are Shire, Lutia Onina, Dwana, Nia Legu Shire, which will cause an apology the awareness, the deep apprehension, that we got. Cause awareness and apprehension, the deep that we got is purely of the nature of impermanence. Daliteta, Goma. Anesa, Tenkara, Sopido, the Didamigade, Pinning and Nia, Legushire, what are these folk? Ari Leguara. One Nabagli Data. This Lovini play, the Lovini Uyin, where the Dadagada was born, the Mapo Wadu Payamwita Ananda. This is a place near Daku which shall be visited and seen, living and cheating as near. By the passengers of a devotion, which will cause awareness and apprehension of the nature of impermanence. A nature so that the deep naviga near do was in near te lobini ne. The Mahabodhi. Mahabodhi Sure Niyadaku. is where the Tathagata attained. Vyasabhaya Yagiri answer pass Anuttara Adubashiro supreme enlightenment a means of Motavinida Nyango Yagiri Mahabodhi Shidali Ananda. This also at the Mahabodhi level is a place near the Kubokwa which shall be visited and seen. Dwaya Lepapu Chibu Kone near the Kubo by a person of devotion. The Radaya Kone Ludia which would cause awareness and apprehension. But we got the idea to my killing but the nature of impermanence. A nature, Denkara, so that we got the idea to killing. 3. Migadaya Wana. Migadaya Wana. Her place is where the Tathagata sit Vipassana. Sit, wheel of the truth, rolling, sit rolling, sit. Ansamba Anubashi, the wheel of the truth. This Seki fled near expounded in a Nale of Biano, Fasil Samo, Tamazo de Ahore Nia, Damajega Bodhana discourse. Another, this also is a place, Nalenia the Kubo, which shall be visited and seen. Why then cheated? A person of the devotion, the Radiagon and Ludia, Waya Jishu then, Pumya then, Surenia, and which any Niagali would cause. Menada Puyin killing awareness and apprehension of the nature of impermanence. But we got the idea killing. 4. This Kushidagara place which where the Tathagata pass into ultimate peace. Pradeva now shown achievement, shown in Nia. Anupadisisa Neba, which is complete cessation of the all Kanda. Kanda alone to German Chunine Nia. This also is a place, Talania which should be visited and seen by any person of the devotion, and which will cause awareness and apprehension of the nature of impermanence. Adesa Bhavatangara Ananda. These are the 4 places that Mamigon and Yaligu, which should be visited and seen, Dwadin and Chidin and Yaligu, for a person of the devotion, by 4 parts of the Babylon. For a person of the devotion. The Radia got a Lutia a threat, which will cause awareness of the appreciation of the nature of the environment. But we got the other visiting and the Ligu and Ananda. They will come to see these places. Ananda, Eri Aliva Vachibe, Bhikkhu, Bhikkhuni, Upasika, Upasika, Leah. Preda Liba, the Baba thought Chicha Mesolushi. Tradiane with the devotion in their heart. Melodarema, the Radiane, the thought Chicha Mesolushi. Here, the Mahabodhi, here the Lumini, Dadagada was born. Yasabja Bhubare Lumini, here at the Mahabodhi, Dadagada attained supreme enlightenment. Here at the Migadaya, Dadagada grace, Dadagada set and passes a wheel of the truth rolling, the message let it near all. Here, Kushinara, Dadagada Pasui, Piyabrini Bansane Neya. All these who are one in pilgrimage to those shrine Bebogala City Yani any city go Pumia Boya and pilgrimage, if they should die with a devotion in their heart, die in the course of the pilgrimage, Lepayan, Payabu Lepayan, Troya Nelonare, Madaradiane, and Druria should die. They jam as Roshi, so time I'm jamming, what time is that? They jam as Roshi. Will after they are dead, will never send it, will be good far. After they are dead, the Vidima now. After they are dissolution of the body, Kanago Vidima now, will be reborn. In a good destination. The fortunate celestial ring. Allah can count it. Nadoye Bomoa, Trupia Muja. They can look at Upa Bizek than deep. No? They are in home of Adilingu Cheta, now near Liva. We don't go to any of it. I hope you're shop your or even ye jump your meet our own jump your Kushi Nagara jump your Lobini Nani and no boy. Kilometer those are loud. No? Kabila wants to yet. I think Vila was to a name. Go say Mila kilometer dollar. Nigromra, Nijora, ya. Any Nijora, no? Dine Dishira, ye I need food. Ye need a Majaria paw. Ye cheer. Ye never hover another city beauty, ye net. And the Huda account. There be ye and the Hangani. Gamerago, find out with a time shot. Daily lane dollar, double yellow time shot. Daha. Bokara Waka Muwa in the Yave, Bo, Sekua, Kong. Nijora, you my Bokara Waka Muwa Bola, Paya Bodo, horrorly. Any day I yiri no behold, Sekua, Bokara Waka Muwa yiri, ဘောကဒိုက်ကလေးတွေဖယ်ပြီးတော့ညနာလေးတဲ့ကင်မရာလေးနဲ့ချောင်းတော့ကလမတအုပ်ရောက်လာပြီးတော့ဟိုဘက်ကရှားတွေပါတွေဖယ်ပြီးသူတို့က6တုံးကြီးပေါ့ဖြန်းရိုက်ပြီးအဝတ်လျှော်ကလမစာရီလျှော်တာတွေ့တော့ဩသဝိဇနိယဆိုတာဒါပဲဟာအနေစာသဗ္ဗသင်္ခါရဘုရားဘာသာဝင်တို့ရဲ့အထွတ်အမြတ်နေရာဘုရားဘာသာဝင်မဟုတ်တဲ့ပုဂ္ဂိုလ်တွေအတွက်တော့အလကားနေရာဖြစ်သွားအငြိကြီးစွန့်တဲ့နေရာဖြစ်သွားနော်အဝိရှောပထမဆုံးအခေါက်သွားတော့ထင်ပါရဲ့ဟုတ်တယ်ဓမ္မဝရီတို့ဂုဏဝရီတို့ငါလိုက်ပို့အဲ့ဒီကနေထွက်ဆောင်းတွင်းကြီးကလာတဲတွေတဲအမိုးကိုဘူးသီးတွေအဲ့ဒါကလာတွေပြောပြီးဘူးသီးသွားပို့ရတယ်လုံရီရောက်တော့အဲ့ဒါဘူးသီးနဲ့စိတ်သားနဲ့ချက်စားကပိလောမျိုးထဲမှာမင်္ဂလမန်ဆိုတဲ့တခါကြီးတွေပုံနှိပ်တိုက်ထောင်တယ်ဓမ္မဝရီတို့ကအဲ့ဒီအိမ်ဝင်ပြီးဆွစားတို့ကသမီးကျော်တွေပါလေအကုန်ဖွင့်မင်္ဂလာမရဲ့သမီးတွေကစာရီတွေနဲ့ဒီလိုနှာခေါင်းပိတ်ပြီးတော့ကြည့်ဘာတွေလဲလို့နန်းငါပြီးတို့ကတော့နတ်သုဒ္ဓပဲသူတို့ကတော့နန်းနဲ့မင်္ဂလာမအိမ်ကိုနှစ်ခေါက်ရောက်ဒုတိယခေါက်ရောက်တော့အဲ့ဒီသမီးတွေလည်းယောက်ျားတွေပါလေရပြီးဘယ်ရောက်မှမသိဘူးအဖိုးကြီးနဲ့ဘွားကြီးတွေ့နောက်ခေါက်တွေသွားတော့ဘာမှမတွေ့တော့ဒီအိမ်လေးကတော့မှတ်မိတယ်ကုတ္တိရှိဘာကွယ်80နှစ်ကနေတူပါလေတော့ကဲသံဝဇ္ဇိက၄ပါးပြီးပါဒီလိုပြောရင်ရသံဝဇ္ဇိကသုတ်တံပြီးတော့ရှင်အနန္ဒမေကွန်ကထာမယမန္တိမတုဂာမေပฏิပိစ္ဆာမမတုဂမတွေဘုရားဘယ်လိုလုပ်လဲဘယ်လိုအတ္တတနံအာနန္ဒမကြည့်နဲ့ don't see don't look at them in detail detail ဆိုတာဘာညွှန်းတာအနုပြေဇနာစပယ်နဖူးမျက်ခုံးမျက်လုံးနှာခေါင်းနှာခမ်းမေးစီအဲ့ဒီလိုလျှောက်ကြည့်တာအနုပြေဇနာခေါ်တယ်ကောအတ္တတနံအဲ့လိုမကြည့်ကြနဲ့တဲ့ဓတ္တနိဘဂဝါတတိကထံပฏิပစီတတ်ပါမြင်နေရရင်ဘယ်လုံးလဲရှောင်းလို့မရပဲတဲလာတာအနာလာပေါ်အာနန္ဒ don't say anything with them သူတို့နဲ့စကားဘာမှမပြောလို့ပဲဖြစ်မလဲသိပြောနေတာဟုတ်အလပန္တိနာပန္တိကတံပฏิပစီတပါမလဲတာမချောင်းပါပြောနေရရင်ဘယ်လိုလုပ်မလဲတတိအာနန္ဒဥပဋ္ဌဝိတပါသတိထားတော့အဲ့ဒါပဲအဲ့ဒါမိမကိစ္စဒီလောက်ကလေးပြောဆိုပြီးတော့နောက်တရိရပူဇာကိစ္စရှင်အနန္ဒကမေးရှင်အနန္ဒမေးခွန်းနေပြီပဲဒီမှာကတမယံပန္တိတတကရတသရိရိပฏิပိစ္ဆာမမြတ်စွာဘုရားကြီးဘုရားရဲ့ယုတ်ကလတ်တော်ကိုတပည့်တော်တို့ဘယ်လိုလုပ်ရမလဲအဗျာဝတ္တတုံမေအာနန္ဒဟောတာ Tadakadata Darira Puzaya Nabya Yuk Kalaji Puzogo Meno Chaucha Masane Ha Dilu Padhara no Meno Padha Chaucha Masane Ega Dome Ananda Daradi Gadata Daradi Anu Yolata Daradi Joshi de Alodego Gadata Adoja Gono Daradi Joshi Melodego Anu Yolata Chege Mama Adoja Gono Abamada Mame Malayo Adabino Piethan Oriane Bahidada Nibango Sidadi Lutabido Virada Niga Gono Piada Marali Ega Dome Ananda Daradi Gadata Anu Yolada Daradi Abamada Adabino Bidada Virada Joshi Dari Luchakwa Tatikon Yogala Doji Velo Loble Meno Jauja Masane Joshi de Lobino Locha No Nare Dia Chai Tibia Makwa Kong de Paisan Puji Biambwe Hoyane Diva Dawne Kwe Manamani Pit Ha Yediga Thou Yaniga Pit Poye Longi Legonta Yan Pit Yet Thou Pay Yet Maimari Dembiro and Gujini Chak Paketi Lue Palomle Tarata Mogu Anithara Mashi I'm loading Bandananda Khadia Bandida Bijanya Shire Mini Biamana Bandida Binyanya Shire Bonari Gahabadi Bandida Binyanya Shire Katiri Many Bonari the Tiri Binyanya Jiji Barekwa Durudi Nyashi Bare Dantagadi Bibamana Durori Biago Tijino Yare Qua Di Eri Many Bonari Katiri Dada Gadaba Darida Busan Kretandi Paya Yokalago, Duru Buzole Mequa, Menodaniga Paya Damara, no, the Ripuja, no, and a chair, twin, Bloja. There was the other thing, and the Toya de Majalina, who went up Palaji Kaya, the Pakini, but we should be needed a child. But Pony and woman alone, and not to get go. Diva Bayamani, the Tarata Moho. But a nimshi. And a member the lady got Buzo Mesuye. Buzo go Lanyan Jackley Big about Bo. Katambana Bandi, Dandagadata, the lady, but he busy Dabam. And remember the lady. Belulu Amale, Dada the Riri Katam, Dibisi Daba, Beloche Ananda Yata Reno Segawadi Dandariri, Badibizandi Belule Secha Wadi Mini Yukalago Logalo Lucha Damola Ewan Dandagarada the Riri, Badibisi Daba Eri Diamond, Sejame Yokala loaded diamond Yasabia Yokala Lucha Kadabara Bandi Reno Segawadi Dandri Badibizandi Sejamini Kanako Belu Lucha the Lepaya Kudina Mura, no? Sejame Chowji Picker and New Hall. Anima Mado Pado Devi Chaja Reno Ananda Segawadi Darina Ananda Sejamini Kanako ahadina atiphido wodhena awobhi wethendi yechagogi pajagogi paiphu atene pa adina asamachedido shogo bishwadire korine paiphu ne sheusa pa adina wadina wethedawa awadene papire khama dijara wihedina phida wedina inara baposhi kappada wagon wedina achine thata phathado wagon jara nu ni aw achine ba lo la phat achine phama phattade wagon ne palai paiphu tatha wagon tatha hobile paiga si masukhu wagon ga si suk era ga pai ne papi wagon ne pa piro si ri the bi do shu pa di dai la we dina ka padina we dina adina wudina we thindi era wagon papi ba ne thappa pai ne thappa pai pa thappi ba pa wagon ne pa wagon po ma pa le pai po ma wagon era dai shau phan ni shi be edena upayena ini dan binsahi yuga tadehi ha ngaya asong lai ngaya wagon ne pai asong bla ha nebu thata patara bishubu saja methi elulu Biasa juga tadi asong ayah dopi, reno saya kau dia beri nak wujud do. Saya jamnya kan aku lupa bido, bedede. Balipat ayat. Mana lupa? Ayat surabaya. Ayah balik buat tang hora, tapi di ni ama shui lu bio. Ayah daya, era jaga apa bida ba, tu nama ina lupa, shui pin pido. Tela dunia, si api thekare bayi, dunia sejenis. Leji lo hala shui ne lau da leji de ma siri api the wagon tatha sorry paiphu tatha wagon tatha paiphu tatha wagon tatha elo asong 900 pat tha de ko ro yi ko hle de ma si api the pi do ai the myuk la Dela daniya bagi baidawa ini ka ayata doniya badi kauzai dawa abawa dakhumma nacha aga dishane ma si pi the pi do pai ne wagon atha 900 patta de yukala ji ko si pi the da de hle ji de the abawa hle ji dakhu ne ma Dabba gandana sidakan garaidawa Nada teni Miayi po Sidakan garaidawa Bibo nipo miro Renya seka wadeda dariran Zabendi Saja minji ya yokalago Dilo bindin jujare Kwa Kai pasan noda jauh Toby Sadu Mamadi Ranger Saka what they that 2 pound currently Sajamini a yuri that do your ayobo Bema Zidi dem Sadu Mamadi Yo Landley Soma Landley was so many 2 pound currently Ballet 2 pound do that. The Wibadana gave me 2 pound Nakushi. The Bema 2 pound, Obama 2 pound, 2 pounds of the Tame Ubawe, Mama lady. Sega what they may, Sega what they may, a Yuri, Lalism, 2 pound day, Zedi did them. Birama Pyo, Yatako, Ananda Rena Segawadi Nandari, Peti Bizandi Ananda Yi, Sejami, Yukalaku, Luri Buzo Chakalu Pokwa, Tadakarada, the Riri, Peti Busy Tapa, Nabia Yukalaku level, Ewan Peti Busy Tapa, any time Lucha. Not about Sadu Mabadi Dada to walk at the ball. Pia Yokala Doga, Jena Yuri, Bema Ziri Dema. Lali what they are may be other, Guru Dore down there go yaw. Yolega Lali what they and Guru Luria gay. Lale Payas, Blumashimko, Suli Payas, Blumashimko. Pia Madana, Sadu Mabati, Dandagarata, 2 Bokada Boli. Pia Yogalaka, Jenny, Dad, Mulega, Zidi, De, Piota, Mulega, David, very short. Down live on the eye, do a geneta, no, plant the way up. And a Marari Shide. Data ye malangwa gandangwa sonagangwa arobidandi biwaridandi ere nyolega ziri lima ye badu basubo malangwa arobidandi gandangwa arobidandi sonagangwa arobidandi no bani nadari nadamoni de bira puzoja Satan wa pata dindi Sile Chinujare Deva Damba with the Digara Dangi Daya Dukaya Shenana Melu Yasabia Mara Sajame Yokala Lube Loa Moya did it, Mapoya did it, you know Samachi did a pain a yempa Gong a chediano Patare, Wagon Nunu the Tapa, Pay the tap, Wagon da, Bidda, Wagon da, Elo, Naku, a so bongla, Naya pa. You know, a sea beater, the sweetly eated tea. You know, my boy, the sweetly eated hune, oh. Allow ye tene the Karemate, local, no, Troconi. Hola. Could allow ye the Tenoni what they should have water. You will surely be able to surely receive a plant later in the book. Yata. You don't marry that or a Yuri or Gono. Siri Teja Muligo. And I didn't have a Tubaraha lay of settle. And Tubaraha Nama Ho. And I lay England to Whenever Anand asks question, whenever Anand asks question, 1, 2, 0, 3. Anyway, sir, how should we conduct ourselves with regard to the women? Not saying them, if we should and avoid the Shamaya look medalitator. The mother said, see them. Shamaya look me, what should be our conduct? Not speaking to him, to them. Any command is if we shall have to speak, and I shall say, what we should be our conduct, you shall establish mindfulness. The Dida, Taro, they go there. Do you have Joanne? Sagamia Joanne, the Rita Joja. They go. Kama Yagina Dashami. Do you know Kama Yagamiri Lawi Pia? Neba Behi Mahawira. Era Jay on Lubiva. Beguro. She Ananda down. Are you calling? The that of a bayas and a theatre. Bona Pogili. Wengipa. Buddha said, Bhawana, she Ananda Nagani. Sons are like the day. That is a meeting at Myayi. Mimari Paitabo Yava. Shyananda is a very famous attendant of the Buddha, preacher. They are winding up. Ubagani, when you are a chief, ha, Tehopa, Ananda, winding up. Nana, Tehomashi. And Acha, the Icha, Comadian and Devi, Tomdi of Mumu. Yakol legire, Bielum legire, Nara legire, Nakan legire, Mizi legire, Yimbal legire, Khan legire, Den legire, Yen legire, the Anubians and Nakor. Mayma so that the May Uchi Magavan, and they say Shauchi. Aridoma, Kamayaga, be lama. No? So that Biana, Abia, Samjiro, Siananda, Gosha. We don't allow Navy and I on low. Ananda, Tota, no, Paja, Bayama, Wingita, Tota. Veneration, how shall we act regarding the body? Hobby. Maybe my mother and being on Logu, where we are here, a gentleman of your be the body never the pure. Anyway, how should we act below pure? Regarding the body, can I go below remain of the Dadagada. Yashabia go my trench and a Yokala Lulu Amale. Ananda, do not worry. You are set. Doing honor to the body of the Tatagara. Now, my body, you know, Sepumine, Balupuzoya, Maleno, Sepumine, I exhort you, Amino, Piome. Apply yourself, only apply yourself. Meno, don't chara, look chara. Exert yourself. Meno, don't chara, look chara. In the essential rock. Essential is a Lord. Although in the case of a menu, not the excellent practices although when I been illuminated striving ardently in the area atuja without negligent choyen machine in the ascension allo at the case choyen machine of Bienta atuja most excellent practice resolutely direct your mind. May not say that they go toward the attainment of the Nibbana. Nibbana Yabo Sobido, Arago Udeta, Yokalaka, Meno Puziamlo, Adana. They are wise and noble, wise and Brahmin, noble, no? Why is a Katiya here? Why is a Brahmin? Why is a householder? Yenashi many throughout Onani, Induri, Indari, Shire, utmost of devotion to the Tathagata. Nabia will take you utmost alone. Who will honor, who will do honor. The Lord Gavia Yabala Buzaleme to the body of the Tathagata. But the benefits are, what shall be done to the body of the Tathagata? Payakura Balulu by the noble Brahmin, householder, and the same way. Another. As is done to the body of the universal monarch. The Kavala also the Baye, Sekawari Mini Yakanago, Lodulu, Lucha. But the benefits are, what is it done to the body of the universal monarch? The Kavala also the Sekawari Yakanago, Lulucha. Ananda, the body of the universal monarch, Sakyameya Yogala, is a red yipat in new cloth. Hold on. What then yipat? And what they got there? Made a kashi. Got the time shit a wood then but after being red up in the Yukashiko, Tadi then over there, the body is wrapped up in carded cotton wool. Gongoni patare, wagongli ne pat. After being wrapped up in the carded cotton wool, wagon chununu ne papire kama. Again, wrapped up in new Kashiko. In this way, in the ambient, the body of the universal monarch is wrapped in the 500 successive layers. 500 successive layers. A tap on blood. Nayarune Pade. Then, Harinamara, it is enclosed in the golden wine butt covered over by another golden butt. Swiftly, the mate. Essentially, the good above and then a fire of the all kinds of perfume wood. Is big body of the universal monarch, it's cremated and within a stupa, i.e. monument mounted with a dome, stupa ဆိုတဲ့ဥစ္စာ monument နဲ့မောက်တဲ့ဘောကိုမောက်တဲ့နေဒုံးလေးနဲ့ထုပါထုပါပုတ်ကနေပြီးတော့ stupa ဖြစ်သွားတာပါနော် stupa ဆိုတာထုပါနဲ့ပြောင်းသွားတာAnd in honor of the universal Buddha is a bed at the junction of the four highway လေးခုရဲ့လမ်းဆုံးမှာတည်လိုက် Ananda, this is what the done to the body of the universal Buddha. Universal Buddha လို့ခေါ်တဲ့စัจ जा မင်းရဲ့ယုတ်ကလဘယ်လိုပူဇော်တယ်ဆိုတာဒါမှတ်တာ Ananda, in the same way in it time as is the done to the body of the universal Buddha, universal Buddha ရဲ့ယုတ်ကလကိုလုံးတလို့ပေါ့ဆိုထုံနေတိုင်းပဲ should it be done to the body of the Tathagata မြတ်စွာဘုရားရဲ့ body ကိုလည်းဒီလိုပဲလုပ်ကြ a stupa to the honor of the Tathagata မြတ်စွာဘုရားကိုပူဇော်သောအပြင်ထူပါတစ်ခုခုကိုလေ should be big တည်ဆောင်ကြ at the junction of the four highway လမ်းမကြီးလေးခုဆုံတဲ့နေရာမှာအဲ့ဒါဇီရီတဲ at that stupa အဲ့ဒီဇီရီမှာလေ people will make offering of the flower လူတွေပန်းလာပြီးတော့ပူဇော်လိုက်မယ် people will make offering of incenses ဘာတွေလဲနန္တာမှုန့်တွေပူဇော်လိုက်မယ် skinned powder incense တော့မဟုတ် skinned powder နန္တာမှုန့်တွေနဲ့ကျဲ will pay homage shake homage will feel reverent in their mind စိတ်ထဲမှာသူတို့အယုဒိပြုလိုက် to such a people ဒီလိုလူတွေအတွက် benefit အကျိုးကျေးဇူးကတော့ happiness will be occur ချမ်းသာဒုက္ခတွေဖြစ်လိမ့် for a long time ဒီကရဏကြာမြင့်စွာကာလပတ်လုံးဒီလူတွေချမ်းသာဒုက္ခဖြစ်လိမ့်မယ်ပြီးပြီ Also, when you see the lady, how will you go like this? Close your eye. We cannot close. I want to see from feet to head, from head to feet in detail. This is in a mellow. Sati upathabhitava. Be mindful. You can look with the mindfulness and comprehension. Tadi pinya ne chija. Ananda bingo le ko cha ma dala bi. Tu a thoda ma me shi thi do me ya ma po. Katamazri a thok pi bi. Nya sa bya ye yogala ko belo lo. Sa ma che ya thi do ma sho phot ya thi do pai phyu ne she u so tathat pat pi do po a Kaung on you moaning or put at it. Pat at it, wagon it, pat. Naku. Bear. Any little tap on. Naya net pat. See bit it at a sweetly tap. See the go same it with all people. Wagon you better tell Naya, so the sea item of winning. ပြီးတော့မှဘွားနေတခုထအုပ်နန္တာထင်းပေါ်တင်ပြီးတော့မိရှုဒါပဲသာရတိကတထသာရတိဝါယမထနော်အကျိုးရှိတာတွေအလုံးလုံးကြကဲရှိတူပေါ့တာဝေကလေးရွတ်လိုက်အောင် Amen.